In today's video, we'll be looking at how to use Zoom as a video conferencing client or as an online teaching tool. For that, what you need to do is go to the website as shown over here, zoom.us, sign up or sign in. I've already signed up, so what I'll be doing is signing in. I've signed in with my Google account, so I'll just do this. I've already signed in to my Google account in background in another tab, hence I'm directly logged in over here, as you can see. Now what you want to do is, since this is a free account, you would want to schedule a meeting or an upcoming meeting or something like that. Let's say right now it's 10:30, I want to schedule a meeting at 10:45. The things that you need to do are as follows. Schedule a new meeting, enter the name of the meeting that you want to have, or whatever be the main agenda or the topic for the meeting. Let's say for our purpose over here it's going to be meeting regarding online tools. If you want to have any description, you can add the description. Select the date and time, so it's 3rd of March 21st date, sorry, 3rd the March the 21st, and I want that at 10:45. As you can see, I do not have an option of 10:45, but I can manually type the value 10:45 a.m. Oops, sorry. How long do I want it to be? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, and so on and so forth. It can also be a 24-hour thing, but as you can see over here, since ours is a basic plan, we can only have a 40-minute long video meeting with 3 or more participants. Since we wish to use this as an online teaching tool, we will be having 3 or more participants, so let's limit ourselves for the purpose of this demonstration to a 15-minute thing. Why 15 minutes? Because it will let you only select these time frames or these time slots. It will not let you key in a custom user value, right? So I've selected this to be as 15 minutes. My time zone is GMT plus 5.5. It is not a recurring meeting, it is just a one-off a meeting which will only occur one time. If you want a password, you can set a password, a require meeting password, and so on and so forth. I do not want a password for this, so uh, I am not doing anything right now. Do you want a video to be hosted? Video to be available from the host, since you are the host. Do you want to show a video? Yes, I want to show a video. Do you want the participants video to be seen? I would prefer not right now in this case, but in case if you're actually doing a conferencing with other people where you have to see the faces or the things that they wish to show, then you should click on over here. But in this case, I do not want it, so I'm clicking it off. Do you want audio from the telephone or computer audio? Since we are going to do this from a laptop, or even you can even use your mobile app for this, a computer audio would be a quite better choice. Mute participants upon entry is only available in the latest versions of it, which this is. But I do not want participants to be muted. I want them to be able to speak and talk and to have a direct communication with me. If you mute them upon entry, they still can, but they'll just have to know that they have to unmute themselves. Enable waiting room means if someone joins the meeting before time or while you are still loading, they will not be rejected, they'll be put into a waiting room. And record the meeting automatically on the local computer. This is for your record purposes. If you want to have a meet, if you're taking an online class, if you do not want to redo the whole thing again and again multiple times, you can just record it once, the whole meeting, and then you can just like put it on YouTube or any other hosting space that you have, and let others see what happened. Save. That's it. Your meeting is, if there are no error in these entries, your meeting is now scheduled. Just give it a moment or two. That's it. Your meeting is now scheduled. How are you going to now invite the other people? Thing is, check where my mouse is. Copy the invitation, right? I am inviting. I copy this meeting invitation. It's copied. Go to your email. Send email to all the people that you wish to invite. They'll have this thing available over there. So what they'll be having is the specific meeting ID, which is needed for them to join. Right? So assuming that invitation copying has been done and emails are being sent and whatnot, I now wish to start this meeting. Start the meeting. It will now prompt you to download and save the Zoom tool available. Right? I have it installed, but why is this asking? Let's see what's happening. We installed the tool. Now we'll execute. Yeah. So it is installing the Zoom executable launcher, right? Which is actually needed for to conduct your whole meetings. Just give it a few moments, depending on your internet connectivity and connection, but they should be quite snappy and fast enough. Yeah, there you are. I'm using computer audio, right? And it is letting me start a video, and as you can see over here, it is already recording things. It has already started recording the whole thing. If I want to enter the full screen, here I am, right, and so on and so forth. If I want to share the screen now, why we are using Zoom, the sharing screen is way much easier and way much smoother experience. Share screen. I already have a PowerPoint presentation open down there for demo purposes. If I want to show to my students the various PowerPoint presentations and or any other simulation tool that I have going on or any other piece of code, I can just directly share that. And I just click on share. That's it. If I want my computer sounds to be also shared, that is, if I'm playing a part of an audio clip and I want them to listen to that, it will share my computer sound also. Or if you want a whiteboard, let's share this whiteboard, right, wherein you can scribble, draw, sorry for that, where you can scribble, draw, put a text box and just write a test case and so on and so forth. So all of this will be shared with all the people who have joined this meeting, right? You want to erase something, there you have, and so on and so forth. This is basically like an MS Paint, but a far much more better version, but something which can be shared with all the people. If you have drawn something over here and you want to save that as an image, you have an option to do that also. I don't want to share this anymore. Sorry, I don't want to share this anymore. That's it. I'm still in the meeting. I want to now share my PPT. I'm clicking on the PPT, click and share, and that's it. Now, all the people who are in the part of this meeting can view this PPT that I'm going and can listen to me while I'm speaking to it. I'm stopping the share. All right, I'm stopping the share. Now I'm still in the meeting. Meeting is still going on, and I want to now exit. Right, I have audio on. I haven't put my video on, so that's it. If you want to end the meeting, look at the bottom right. You have end meeting. Click on that. The meeting ends. You still have an option end meeting for or leave meeting. You can just leave the meeting, but and rest of the participants can still be over there attending the meeting. But I want to end meeting for all. So that's it. There I am. Wait for a moment or two. Your whole recorded video will now be converted. As you can see, it is being converted, and it will ask you for, it will give you prompt to save it. Select the location where you want to save it, and that's it. You have a whole record of your whole video on your local computer. Clicking on desktop, that's it. Now there I have my whole 2 minute 18 second video call or meeting.
Yeah, There you go. I'm using computer audio, right? And it is letting me start a video. Smoother experience.
I've just muted the audio of this playback file, and let's see what is happening. Yeah, there you are. See, I was using this whiteboard over there, and it, now even that is being shown, even that has been recorded, and it's been shown over here. As we move ahead, you can even see the presentation that I was using. This has all been recorded. Yeah, and that's it. That's how you use Zoom. Thank you.